And before we get started, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. It gives the big thumbs up and check out our Instagram, Comps Critters.
And guys, if you hear our dog Remy's reading on it, his chew toys, please don't notice that. Please don't.
Don't mind it.
Yeah.
It's
Okay,
just
let's get
started. Fluffy slime.
We're making some fluffy slime, and we're gonna put our white glue
In first.
Oh my god!
What?
That
looks so weird and fluffy, but mine does not even look fluffy yet.
Oh wow, Scott, that's a bunch. Oh, it's just a tad bit.
A tad bit?
It's not getting out.
That's because it doesn't like you. It doesn't want to make slime today.
No.
Just do it tomorrow. This video could wait. No, it may not.
There, just
There. Look how much that is.
there we go. Okay,
I'm gonna
that's
go
all.
with that.
Now,
Next one we have to do.
I accidentally, but good thing it didn't make a mess. Now my second one.
I don't have a second.
Wow, Scott, you can go with your other one.
Oh.
Natural.
Clear glue, like, this kind of glue is so hard to get out.
It is?
But yes. Last video, like when we made slime, I didn't get it all out, so I had to ruin my slime.
That was our first video.
I know. I couldn't get it. I didn't get all of it out, so I had to ruin my slime. So you have to really try to get it out, so you don't ruin your slime this time. I'm ahead of you.
Cool. I had to pour in 2 bottles.
I know.
Okay, there you go.
So you're kind of ahead of me.
How am I ahead of you? Okay, now my third. I'm saving some room for this.
Sky, why don't you get a spoon for you and Whisper so you can stir the glue you have in there before you add the other stuff?
Yes, I go get a spoon. Do. Okay, so I didn't pour in all of it because I didn't want it to overfill. So yeah.
You got it tiny.
Oh, look at that! So pretty. I'm adding all this. That's so pretty, guys. Give it a little. Whatever. Only a little bit in there. I think that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna mix.
Look at that baby spoon. I just grabbed the baby.
Look at us, look at us.
Look at mine.
Hi, Renton.
Look at mine. This really
Wow, this is gonna be very pretty.
Okay.
Guys, if you didn't know, my favorite color is pink and yours is purple. So I'm gonna try to mix that in all the way.
This much?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good job, Sky.
I'm a pro. I'm making slime.
Okay, now I'm gonna add.
Well, this is like my third time or second time.
second.
Second time making slime.
Okay, now.
This next. Whisper's that next.
Yep. There we go.
Don't forget to add your water too.
We have to add a water too.
Oh, this?
Mm-hmm.
All of it?
Yeah.
I think I need more than that.
I think I
Nah.
just ruined my slime.
Why?
It's okay. You have to add the shaving cream and stuff in there yet.
I'm
too.
gonna add a little bit.
You're supposed to add all of it.
I'm not adding all of it.
Nope.
Aww.
It's okay. You're gonna add shaving cream and stuff. It should work.
Okay,
Stop.
now I'm gonna
Careful.
add this first.
Careful when you
Little
stir.
bit. That's should be enough. Thank you. Oh, I think that's too much. But let's keep mixing.
Is that all I have to mix? Do I do shaving cream
Yep.
now?
Go ahead and add some shaving cream.
Shaving cream. Oh.
Just keep going. Just pouring a lot.
So it could be very fun.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now stir.
Oh, it smells kind of a bunch. Guys, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
No,
You
I
might
have
have to use your hands.
Do I only do one of this?
I'm not using my hands.
Yeah, give it a little squirt.
That's,
There you go.
that should be enough. Oh, it smells so good. But I'm not eating it.
What is wrong with that? You.
Okay, do I go in with my hands?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's my turn, you guys. Smash this like button if you think this is gonna turn good.
Wait, it's going. Oh, I made a wrong decision.
There, I
It's
think
alright.
that should be good.
Use your hands to work it together.
Look at this,
You have
guys.
to add more shaving cream to it. You have to add a little more shaving cream. Well,
Look
yeah,
at
mix it up a
this.
little bit.
Wizard, could you add me more shaving cream?
Yeah,
You might need a bigger bowl too.
we need a bigger bowl.
Alright, let's get a bigger bowl. We're going to
Okay, stop,
freeze.
stop. An activator.
I can't.
I need
Guys.
an activator.
Oh, my spoon's in here.
There we go.
I think this is a shoulder. Thank you, Mom. Okay. Okay, look at this.
Is it feeling slimy yet?
Yeah.
Not yet, sis? You need a little more shaving cream?
I
My
think
spoon's
so.
all in here.
Well, you're going to have to pull your spoon out.
I can't look at it. Look at this, guys.
There you go.
Look at this, Mommy. I might not.
Oh
It's okay. It's okay. We'll clean it up.
Oh, look. Okay. How am I? I'm just gonna put this in there.
no. How is yours working?
What do you mean?
Mine's not working.
Maybe we put too much water in yours. Maybe we should have just added a little bit to start.
Yeah,
okay.
like how I did.
And you can add a little more glue.
Could you?
Oh, look at this. It's like pink and white. Oh, this.
I just ruined my slime.
No, you didn't. We'll fix it.
Yeah, you can fix it.
Sorry, the camera's shaking. I'm trying to put glue back in.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
hang on.
Guys, this feels so fluffy. And
My slime just got ruined.
it didn't get ruined.
Yes, it
You
did.
can fix it.
No, I
Just keep
can't.
adding shaving cream. We might not have had enough shaving cream. I can add some baking soda to it again.
Yes.
Yeah, probably that's
I
what
need
we
more
need to
baking
do.
soda.
Probably.
Okay, you work in this glue here.
Oh, look at this. It's not really stretchy, but it's soft.
Whoa.
What? I'm
How's
so
it going,
bad.
Sky?
Not so good.
Thank you, Mom. Oh, yeah, that worked. Oh, mix that in.
Is yours super runny? Just keep working it with your hands.
Oh, it made good sense.
You don't even have to.
Is water activator? Question mark.
Yeah, no, that's activator. That is.
Look how messy this is. This is so messy, guys.
I think I need more activator.
It's on my knee.
Can I get more of this?
I think that's baking soda. You can add a little bit more.
Guys, this is so messy. So be careful at home. Do it in a kitchen, not a living room.
No. Because she got some on the floor. I'm sure.
But I got it on the
Towel.
On the towel.
on the towel. Good thing we put a towel on there.
Look how runny this is. And look how good that one is. This one's runny.
Yours is more white and mine's more pink. Tell me down in the comments if this ever happened to you.
Whose is better?
Would you rather have runny slime?
Can I clean this up? Can I clean my leg up?
Guys, this is so messy.
Can I clean my leg up? Yeah.
Okay, so, what the heck?
gets on your leg.
Oh, oh, it's about to get on her leg.
The safety.
Oh. Get this off of me. I don't like it. Guys, we're keeping it. This is so messy.
We're gonna have to take a shower.
This just gone wrong.
Tired.
Not me. This is so weird. Not weird.
Yours is good. Mine is like a disaster.
I think something.
Add all your water, Whisper.
What?
Add all your water.
This is so good. We have our towel. Okay, I'm gonna get all of this out of the bowl. Okay, so I got it all out of the bowl, kind of. Okay, so this is so messy.
Okay, girls. So did our recipe that we found for fluffy slime work?
No.
No. So we're going to have to try fluffy slime again using a
tomorrow.
different recipe. Maybe one that doesn't involve water or as much water. Because I think that's why this is so runny and so messy.
Yeah.
So, click
Never
that like
tried
button.
it. Never
Subscribe.
tried it.
Our channel.
Check us out on Instagram at Krantz Critters.
And never check this and never do this.
And we will see you back with another slime video tomorrow. Also, tomorrow is Sky's in Charge Day, so come back and check that out.
But before she does that, go check my video out. Go
Yes.
check I'm in Charge video
Yeah,
out.
don't forget to check out the video where Whisper is in charge, and it is hilarious.
Yeah, it is.
Hilarious at the park.
Alright, guys, comment down below your good fluffy slime recipes, and maybe we'll try one of yours tomorrow.
And tell us down in the comments, what do you want
Maybe because I'm in charge
us
tomorrow.
to do?
Alright, guys.
Bye!
Bye.